Problem number 11 on 11.1 worksheet. This big O sigma means we're doing the summation of terms 1 through 4. Now the k is just used in the definition. This k could be an n or a p or a j or an I. It doesn't really matter. But what it does is say take k, square it, and divide it by 2. So if I wanted to find the first term, or a sub 1, just to kind of understand what's going on here, if I wanted to find the first term, I would plug 1 in for k. So it would say 1 squared over 2. And 1 squared over 2 is 1/2. So the first term is 1/2. If I wanted to find the second term, then I would plug 2 in for k. So it ended up being 2 squared over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is really equal to 2. If I wanted to find the third term, a sub 3, I'd plug 3 in for k. So I'd end up with 3 squared all over 2. That's a 3. I know it doesn't look like it, but right here is a 3. Which is 9/2. And if I wanted to find the fourth term, I would plug 4 in for k. So it'd be 4 squared all over 2, which is 16 over 2, which is the ocho, or 8. And then since this says find the summation, this is the symbol for summation in mathematics. So now we're just going to add all of these terms up. And we can add them up by getting a common denominator. Common denominator would be 2. So we could change everything to 2's. This would still be 1/2. This would be 4 over 2. This would be 9 over 2. And this would be 16 over 2. Add them all up. 25 plus 5 is 30 over 2, which is 15. So the final answer here, the summation of the first 4 terms of that sequence, is 15. Now, can this be done on our calculator? Let's see if we can get this to work on our calculator. So it doesn't matter what calculator you have. If you have the 8384, it's a little bit more difficult than it is the other one. So here's the sequence of how you do this on the 8384. You're looking for statistics. So you go to statistics. There's lots of different things that you can do in statistics. We're going to do some tests, which is not what I'm looking for. Sorry, I'm in the wrong one. Go to second. Nope. I'm having some severe problems here. We go to math. There it is. We go over to probability. Sorry. And then down here is a summation somewhere. We work our way down. It's not in there either. So we'll go to numbers. Go over to num. I don't even know where it's at. It's got to be in here somewhere. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. All right, here it is on this calculator. Yours may be a little bit different, and it actually puts all the pieces there for you, which is not the same that it does on the other calculator. So in here I can pick any variable I want. So if I want to use k, I can. Some severe problems finding the k. K. Alpha k. Why didn't it show up in there? Here we go. Equals 1. And then we use go up on top here and say from 1 to 4. And then we put the definition of the sequence in here. I always like putting fractions in parentheses, so we would do alpha k squared divided by 2. And hit enter. And that would come the magical number of 15 that we also got doing by hand. So that's how you do it on your calculator, and you can do it on other calculators the same way.